Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Our mission here at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos guys. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Today we'll show you guys how to remove and replace the low headlight beam on a Mercedes W211 E-Class from 2003 all the way until 2009. That's the one without the xenon headlights, okay? Rear headlights. So we'll demonstrate on the right side, low beam headlight bulb here. Left side, driver's side will be identical, but we'll have a little bit less room to video, so we want to show you as good as we can how to do that. Okay guys, so there is enough room to reach. It's not a lot, to be honest with you, so smaller hands will do better. I've heard people saying that you have to remove the headlight. No, you don't, because you can't remove it even if you want to, because you have to remove the bumper cover. So we'll have the light right here to hopefully help you see guys better. So turn that thing counterclockwise, that's the cap, okay, and pull it out of the way. This is the bulb right there. Okay, we have a good angle now. So you just twist counterclockwise about the quarter revolution, okay, and this is the bulb. Grab the bulb, and usually you never want to grab the new bulb with your fingers, you have to use gloves. Okay, and you're going to pull it out. Okay, just be careful that it doesn't break, the glass part doesn't break, because sometimes they'll be really stuck. Okay, so this is the bulb, okay guys, right here. You can see that's where the connector goes, so you want to make sure that you pull it right. If you touch the new bulb with your fingers, the oil from your fingers will make the bulb burn fast because it will get hot. So always wipe it with alcohol if you touch it with your fingers, or use gloves. When you use gloves, everything's good. Okay, so we're going to install the wire now, okay, right there. So you need to see how exactly it goes, okay, and you need to push it in all the way. Okay, it went in. Okay, so now we are going to go there again. Wow, the light is falling off. Okay, let me get in there. Good. And you're going to get it in an angle and turn it clockwise, okay, and that's the finished position right there. Next you need to install the cap and get it tight. Okay, so that's the best angle we could get guys. Thank you for watching, please subscribe. So guys, hopefully the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Now check out our YouTube channels guys, we have more than 19,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.